But everybody listen to me very carefully. In order to construct any particular shape, first of all you have to fix your compass. So do tight this screw before going to the examination. Okay, you should have the transparent ruler, not with these blue lines. Okay, transparent hona chahiye bilkul exact. And with that all you need to understand that you are going to construct the rhombus of length 6 centimeter and the longest diagonal is 10 centimeter. So the first task should be that you should draw a rhombus here randomly with few names, like let's suppose A, B, C, D, if it is not given in the paper. So this is 6 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter, this should be 6 centimeter, this should be 6 centimeter, and the length of the longest diagonal is, let's suppose, 10 centimeter in this question. Okay, what I'm going to do is, with the help of a scale, I'm going to draw one base length, and might be there is a chance that in Cambridge exam this 6 centimeter is given to you. So what do you have to do? You have to just place your ruler and just draw the length of 6 centimeter like this. Once you're done, just name it, just make few dots here in order to understand that this is the starting and ending point of your rhombus. Now you got the idea that this is, let's suppose, my length AB. Like let's suppose this is my length AB. Now I know that rhombus is the tilted square and every length should be 6 centimeter. Okay, so I'm going to draw the rhombus. So I'm going to just open the compass 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter approximately. Do tight this screw, this is very much important before Cambridge exam. So I'm going to put the compass at B like this in order to draw an arc like that. Okay, now I got the idea that this distance is 6 centimeter away from this point B. So now what I'm going to do is, I know that this is the longest diagonal of 10 centimeter. To open the compass 10 centimeter, all I need is a 10 centimeter line. You can draw anywhere on your paper, but try to draw the line first before opening the compass. It will help you to avoid any error in the paper. So like let's suppose I'm going to draw the line till 10 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter. So just open the compass 10 centimeter like this. Okay, so be careful that the compass should be open 10 centimeter. Now you know this, that the longest diagonal is from the A. So let's suppose I have to just place the compass at A. Now the compass is 10 centimeter open. Can you hold the page please? Okay, thank you. So now I'm going to make an arc here. Now you can see one thing, that this point is my point here and this is A, B, and let's say this is point C. So this is B to C is also found. Now I need to find out that where is my point D. We know that my point D would be somewhere here, but I don't know, because the length of this diagonal cannot be the same as this one. That is what the property of a rhombus is. Now you need to understand one thing, that what to do. Now you have to just understand that, okay, this is my ABC, half of my rhombus is drawn. So it means that this length in front of you, this is approximately 10 centimeter, because we did this with the scale. We know that the half of 10 centimeter is 5 centimeter, that the half. So I'm going to just place the ruler and mark a dot on 5. So now you have to look at your, for example, ruler, that this is 5, the half of 10. So you have to place your ruler like this, and at 5 centimeter just mark a dot here, that this point is my 5 centimeter. Now you have to use your ruler, because this point on your ruler is what, this is 90 degrees. Just place your ruler on this particular line like this, and you have to set the ruler horizontally with the line. Now this point, this line is the perpendicular line and crossing from this 5 point. मतलब 5 centimeters से cross हो रही है. Now I need to understand that where is my point D. Now I have the compass already with me. This is point B. This is point A. Open the compass. This is 6 centimeter opened already. Just place at point A and make an arc here. Now you can see that this line and this point is my point D, and now I can join the point A with point D, and this is my point C to D. So that is what my rhombus is. How to check? Now check please. This length is A to B. This is 6 centimeter. See, this is also 6 centimeter. See, this is also 6 centimeter. See, this is also 6 centimeter. This length is 10 centimeter. See, this length is 10 centimeter. I told you these lengths cannot be equal. See, this length is going upwards. So that is the reason this is checked, and this is the perfect example that how to draw the rhombus with one length given and the diagonal given. Thank you so much. Like, share, subscribe.